What's up everyone? Welcome to another video. In this episode, we're going to upgrade the brake system. The car came with the brembos from factory, so we're going to be changing pretty much everything else. Rotors, brake pads, brake lines, and the brake fluid. Let's go.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
Whenever you change your brake pads or discs, it's always a good idea to bed them in to make sure they're working as efficiently as possible. DBA recommends going from 30 to 5 miles per hour with medium pedal pressure without coming to a full stop and repeating that process 10 times. It's also recommended to drive the car on a highway for 15 to 20 minutes without using brakes too much to let them cool down properly. In the next episode, we'll be installing unequal length headers from Tomei to unlock the boxer rumble and also tune the car to optimize performance. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching.
Search but you stay